Wind chimes have a remarkable ability to create a sense of calm through their delicate and soothing sounds. When a gentle breeze stirs them, the melodious tones they produce have a rhythmic and repetitive quality, akin to the calming rhythm of natural elements like rustling leaves or flowing water. This auditory experience can help reduce stress and anxiety, promoting relaxation and mindfulness. The gentle chiming of wind chimes also connects individuals with nature, offering a tranquil reminder of the natural world's harmony and balance. The calming effect is particularly pronounced during the summer months when wind chimes are often used to mitigate the heat's discomfort, providing an auditory escape from the sweltering conditions.
Thanks for watching this video.